TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here on this 12th of July, Monday, beginning of the week, and we're starting off the week with a rally in the Dow, up 70 at 34,938, brand new recovery high, not an all-time high. The high today so far is 34,950 in the Dow. 35,091 is the all-time high from May. We've been correcting and digesting huge gains since May. So it's almost 2 months, and we're looking at the weekly chart, still holding very well, and certainly a peak C in the monthly chart, possibly going this week. We'll see, to a leg D, and then we've got to start being a little bit careful. We'll see what happens. I'll talk about that in a moment when I talk about my upcoming webinar. And this Wednesday, a two-session webinar, 2 days. I'll talk about that soon. But in the meantime, the S&P made an all-time high on Friday and has continued today. It's gone to 4373.72. Good action in the daily, good action in the weekly. And the daily suggests this has to be a leg. It doesn't say it has to, but it's almost certainly going to be a leg B. So there should be a pullback for a peak B, then a leg C. So you've got most of the week, if not early next week, before you can actually get to a D. We'll see about that. Look at the QQQ. The QQQ is trading right now. It hit an all-time high. Now it's pulling back a little bit. It's down 11 cents at 360.89, having hit 362.89. Excellent action that increases the weekly leg D, and that says you can't get a peak D until next week. And look at the IWM, the Russell 2000, struggling a little bit here. It is down. Oh, it's unchanged at 361.02. I'm sorry, I didn't hit the button. There it is. I was going to say that's an unusual thing. Yes, it's pulling back a little bit down, $1.26 at 225.10. So you've got this rotation through the different sectors we're going to see, and I'll talk about in my show where we start to see some sectors that have been lagging start to improve here. Look at gold. Gold has really been struggling because it's down. Now it's down 17 at 17.92, but the dollar hasn't really had the same counterpoint move to the upside. Yep, it's up a little bit, but it's just holding very nicely after the peak E. And crude oil, this is a big deal. Crude oil right now is trading down $1.22, and the TLT, we're gonna have to talk about that when I get back. But the target conditions are. Check out front page of TFNN for my upcoming webinar, 2-day webinar starting Wednesday.